Viewers, from day one, there has been a motivated attempt to gag any attempt to question the very convenient suicide theory that has been spun to describe the events that led to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. We saw the Mumbai police virtually botching up this case. That is pretty much established after we have been able to come across several inconsistencies. Even the drug angle was never looked into, and even the Supreme Court felt that the investigation was not being conducted under the right section of the Criminal Procedure Code, which would have led the police to consider other possibilities. Very important, viewers. Now, after the Mumbai police failed to shut this case, a group of former policemen and lawyers have united to move court against Times Now. Yes, Times Now's journalism has been cited. We have been called individuals holding a nightly media trial, and they want to gag on the coverage on Sushant Singh Rajput. Viewers, every trick has been tried. Individuals in our company are being hounded legally. Threats of court cases, all sorts of libel cases are being made against us in an attempt to shake us up so that we don't report what, viewers, is really a conspiracy, major conspiracy. Even Dr. Subramaniam Swamy is being challenged. Kangana Ranaut is being threatened by the Maharashtra government. They've said that if you return to Mumbai, you will have to face consequences. We have with us Dr. Subramanian Swamy. Dr. Swamy, first of all, there is a plea today that is being pushed hard. It has been accepted by the courts, and they will be looking into whether this is a media trial. How do you react to this, sir? Dr. Swamy. Okay, I think we just lost him there. Dr. Swamy, we're having audio issues with you. We're going to try and restore that connection. We just lost him there for about a brief second. Are we getting him back, or should I move on to the other guests and then we can try and patch him again? Are we getting him back? Okay, 30 seconds it's going to take. I just want to very quickly tell you, viewers, that this particular petition has been filed because Times Now's investigation has reached criticality. And now what we find is that the questions we have raised, if there was no negligence, then why file a plea to gag, is beginning to hurt the establishment. Times Now accused Mumbai police of negligence. That was one of the first conclusions that has come out from our investigations, which are being cited in court. Shows self-restraint in reporting the case. Well, self-restraint, what have we done? Which suggests otherwise. Media trial can affect accused rights to defense, they say. Well, the media stood by a large number of individuals in the past. Arushi, Nirbhaya, Jessica Lal, many people. The Kataras, the people who lost their lives in Uphaar. Viewers, the list is endless. The media has been lauded for being able to deliver justice for these individuals. For some strange reason, the same media today is being attacked for carrying out an investigation into why perhaps Sushant Singh Rajput lost his life. Is there a crime in this country now? Viewers, when the Mukherjees were questioned on the back of intense media scrutiny in another very high-profile murder case, the media's role was lauded. Today, that same Mumbai police is finding it difficult. Why, I wonder? Why? Let's ask this question. Let's open this out. Hitesh Jain is with us. We also have Siddharth Poonawalla, Nilesh Navlakha, one of the petitioners. Nilesh Navlakha, have you forgotten, sir, the actions of various individuals in the 2002 Gujarat riots case? Have you forgotten that individuals who were not even at that time named in the charge sheets were called Maut Ka Saudagar? Have you forgotten that in the Rafale case, an individual who had no case against him was called Chaukidar Chor? Have you forgotten all of that? Sohrabuddin case. Amit Shah was targeted. You never had a problem with those so-called media trials. Today, no one had a problem with Sheena Bora. Forgotten? The Sheena Bora case also in Mumbai. The Mumbai police went on record to congratulate the media. You could have said at that time that the Mukherjees were subject to a media trial. Arushi's parents, they were subjected to a so-called inquisition by the media. Forgotten all of that? No problems then? Suddenly you're being moved, your conscience is being moved. What would you say, sir? I want to ask you a question. A small question. Mr. Navlakha, if you have the patience, a direct question. Do you believe that Asaram Bapu, do you believe that Asaram Bapu deserves to be in jail, sir? That his conviction was the right thing? Do you believe so? I'm asking you, do you believe so? Just ask me yes or no. Do you believe? Because I'll tell you his counsel moved the same plea.
Yes no,
one second. I haven't finished my question. Please, sir, I beg your indulgence. Because, sir, his counsel also said that he was the subject of a media trial. Now, if the media hadn't got in to show that eyewitnesses were being butchered and murdered conveniently, Asaram Bapu would not have been convicted. Why are you trying to, sir, today block the media from doing its job? The media has been a positive change agent in all these cases. Why?
So what are you trying to tell me, Mr. Shivshankar, that if I have not done earlier, I should not do it again?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not even saying that.
Then
I'm saying, why are you refusing to recognize the role of the media as a change agent? Why do you want to gag that media? I'm only listing where the media was a change agent. Had we not been there, the BMW case accused would not be in jail. Had we not been there, Nitish Katara's killers would be free. Had we not been there, Priyadarshini Mattu's killers, rapists rather, would have been free. Forgotten that?
Are you telling to trial?
The Tandoor murder case would not have come to trial and conviction.
And the court has nothing to do with it?
I'm only asking you. Forgotten what Justice Satyasivam said?
I'm asking you a question.
I'm asking you.
Are you trying to tell me that courts did not have any role in all these things?
Sir, the courts can only act on the evidence that is brought before them. If the police is destroying the evidence and the media keeps quiet and looks the other way, if the police are being suborned, if the police are being bribed, if the police investigations have been derailed, then what evidence are they going to collect? And you know, then what happens? And remember, in some of these cases, the lower courts had actually exonerated the accused. It took the media to get in. Have you forgotten that? How insensitive are you?
Mr. Shivshankar,
have you forgotten that?
I am very sensitive. I'll let you know one thing.
Yes, tell me what happened in the BMW case.
I believe in Indian democracy.
Tell me what happened in the Jessica Lal case. Why did the person get relief in the lower courts? I'm asking you. Why? Why? Because the courts were deficient? Are you going to say that tonight? You're being ridiculous, sir. You're motivated.
The third is judiciary and the fourth is press and media.
Listen, my dear man, listen, why don't you come up front? Why don't you tell me that when the judiciary let off some very heinous characters because the police was so suborned that they couldn't bring the evidence. It was the media, hang on, that made the difference. Have you forgotten that? Mr. Navlakha, have you forgotten that?
I haven't forgotten anything.
Well, then that's it.
Let me tell you one thing.
Take your frivolous
This
petition away.
state is-
Who are you protecting?
What frivolous petition?
Would the drugs angle have come out?
See,
I'm asking you, would the drugs angle have come out, sir, without the media?
How do you know? How do you know it would
It's obvious. Because the Mumbai police haven't still filed an FIR. Couldn't they figure out that there was a drugs backdrop to this?
What drug?
Listen, my
See,
man,
what
I
you
don't
have
know.
done,
I
we
don't know what
appreciate
your
whatever you have
motivation
done.
is, but it is
we
not smelling
cannot
of
agree,
roses.
we cannot-
Let me tell you.
We cannot accept.
Let me tell
that
you,
the
when did the
judgments
media
will
get
be
in?
TV
The media
studio.
got in when the family of Sushant Singh
Democracy,
Rajput filed an
judiciary
FIR.
has its role. Media has its role. Everybody.
No, my
is,
dear man,
entitled to
your
their
role
role,
is
but you
suspect today.
cannot enforce
Your
others'
role is
You cannot
suspect
be
today.
judiciary.
I have
You
a
cannot be
feeling
judiciary.
that you are coming from a motivated
You cannot be
place. Come on,
judiciary.
sir,
You
the
cannot be
Times,
judge.
Times
All
now
right.
will investigate you also. And when your linkages come out,
Please
God
do that,
forbid,
sir.
I hope it's not the case. And I hope that you are only acting in the pure interest of upholding some sort of justice. I don't know for whom, for what, but I just hope that you are not motivated.
Yes. No. How can you say if I am against media trial that
I know
am,
some
with
things.
someone?
I know
What
some
kind
things
of
about
logic is
certain
this?
people,
What
certain
kind of narrative
petitioners.
it is?
I know something about
No, I
certain
don't accept
petitioners.
all these
You know, it
allegations.
won't take very long for me
If
to
I
tell
am
you that
against
some of them
media
have
trial,
links
that
to the
does
ruling
not make me
establishment
with Riya
in
lobby.
Maharashtra.
See,
I know I'm not going to
accept
name them,
this. I don't
and I'm not
accept
going to
what
name the
you say.
linkages, Mr. Navlakha. But you're floundering for answers, and India is judging you today. I want to bring in Hitesh Jain. Hitesh Jain, who's an advocate. Hitesh Jain, media trial. You see this as a media trial. Hitesh Jain, can you hear me? Tell me, you see this as a media trial? Hitesh Jain, Shehzad Poonawala, you want to come in?
Right to read.
Shehzad Poonawala, yes.
Yeah, Rahul, I had told you 2 nights ago, Rahul, on your show 2 nights ago, I told you the entire machinery was being orchestrated because Times Now did what Mumbai police wasn't allowed to do. I told you specifically you will be targeted. I told you suits will be filed. People will threaten you. That all happened in the last 2 days and it's happening today because you and your reportage and Navika Kumar and Times Now are unearthing the drug nexus that the Maharashtra police was asked to go slow on. Therefore, they quarantined the Patna officers. Therefore, they didn't go after Riya. Therefore, they said no to CBI. And therefore, they are going with the might that they have against Times Now because Times Now is unearthing that drug link to certain Bollywood superstars and certain politicians. Had you not poked your nose in this investigation on the drug link, they would have not have come to you.
And let me
these
tell
people
you,
talk about
Mr.
freedom of
Navlakha,
speech.
let me
They
ask you
talk
another
about
question.
Abhivakti ki azadi.
What
They
kind
return
of-
awards for
what
all
kind
of
of
these things. They
investigation-
don't care a damn about these principles.
What kind of investigation is being led by the police that you are today defending, that they couldn't even bring themselves to mention the time of death on the post-mortem report?
Mr. Shivshankar,
I'm asking
first
you,
of all, I am not
post-mortem
defending anyone
report.
here. I am not defending
Post-mortem
anyone.
report did not have the
I am-
time of
I
death.
am
What kind
saying
of post-mortem
that
was being
justice
conducted?
has
Would
to
you
be
have known
delivered
that?
By courts.
Would you have known that?
Justice cannot be delivered in.
Would you have known
in
that?
studio.
Don't wag your
this is
finger
a
at me.
political
Don't wag your
investigation.
finger at
And
me.
I hope
Rahul,
Don't wag your
you
finger
apply
at me.
This is a political
Don't wag your finger at me, sir.
India.
Don't
It has
wag your
been done
finger
to
at me.
silence Times Now.
Don't wag your finger at me. Don't dare wag your finger at me.
It is a political
Don't dare
investigation done
wag
to
your
silence
finger at
Sushant.
me. I'm asking you a question.
This is a PIL.
One second. Shehzad, 1 second. Mr. Navlakha, what kind of investigation is this
Okay.
where the time of death is not mentioned on the post-mortem in an unnatural death case? You explain to me. Tell me.
No, I am not concerned what has been done. I am saying
What?
that
You're not
justice cannot be
concerned. What are you
delivered in
concerned
studio.
with?
That is what
You're
we
not
want to
concerned with
try-
justice?
I believe in democracy. Judiciary has its own role
democracy.
and,
Yes.
media
Don't
has
give me
its own
that.
role.
Don't give me that democracy.
Oh.
Don't give me that democracy
Why you don't
light.
believe in
There is a
democracy?
democratic light of this
Sushant's
media.
family does not have the
of
democratic
times
right.
of times now to ask questions. Forgotten that? Don't selectively parrot the definition of democracy on this channel.
Rahul,
Scurrilous attempts are being
You-
made, viewers,
So you
to suppress
don't
Times
believe
Now's
in
voice.
democracy, you don't believe in
Scurrilous
Press Council
attempts.
of India's
And they
advice
wag
which
their
says
fingers
you
at
are
us.
slandering the
20.
family is
They threaten
democracy.
us.
You
But
don't
to
believe
ask
in
questions
anyone.
of accused number one is
You
not
don't believe in
democracy.
anyone.
I
Slandering
want to
the
bring in
family is
Dr.
democracy.
Subramanian Swamy.
Abusing the family
One
is
second.
democracy.
Dr. Swamy, I want to ask
Certain
you
journalists
simple.
calling the family,
One second.
making accusations of the
One
family is
second.
democracy and your freedom. But we can't raise questions.
No, they
This
want
is
democracy
a
their
politically
style.
just litigation.
Shehzad, democracy
Done
their
to
style.
silence Times now.
Hitesh Jain.
Done to silence
Hitesh
Sushant's
Jain
family.
is a lawyer. Avishkar Singhvi is also a lawyer. Hitesh Jain, we are being told that by asking questions, we are suggesting that we don't trust the judiciary of this country.
Rahul, for the past 6 years, this lobby was always teaching us that we need to tolerate unpopular views. We were also being told by this lobby that freedom of speech and of the press is the ark of the covenant of the democracy. And public criticism is essential to the working of its institution. Now, what has happened? What has happened suddenly that you have forgotten? And the gentleman who was talking about the democracy, then he should know one simple lesson of the democracy, that free speech and freedom of press is the ark of the covenant of the democracy. And this is the wisdom that they have given us in last 6 years. This is nothing but an emergency mindset that has stepped in. We do not tolerate unpopular views. We do not
Avishkar
tolerate
Singhvi,
criticism.
Avishkar Singhvi, would you like to respond to Hitesh Jain? Avishkar Singhvi, please respond to Hitesh Jain.
There cannot be any public criticism. Unfortunately,
Avishkar Singhvi,
that
please
is the idea
respond to
of
Hitesh Jain.
democracy.
Rebuttal coming from Avishkar Singhvi, advocate. Go ahead.
Sure. Well, it's not really a rebuttal. I just want to emphasize, I've been hearing a lot of things happening in the debate right now, and I thought I should just mention that it's not really a question of media trial or whether it's fair reporting, and it's a question of degree. When things cross a certain boundary, then things have to go out of hand, and that's the time when every institution must realize its own boundaries.
So what has gone out of hand? Mr. Singhvi, what's gone out of hand?
Is
asking the police to fill in the time of death going out of hand.
It's not a binary answer. It's not a binary response.
No, I'm asking you, what has gone out of hand?
Again, can you just give me 2 minutes, because I want to just say it's a very complicated question. It can't be answered in one line or a binary answer.
No, come on. What has gone out of hand? You can elucidate on that.
Please show the same. So what's gone out of hand is that most people, I think, on every side would agree that there is some sense of lack of civility in debates today, and that is something.
No, that's a general. Let's have that, motherhood debate. Sir, let's have that motherhood debate on the weekend or at any other point of your choosing. We can't have a motherhood debate on a very focused show.
But I just
that can be said about. No, 1 minute. That was said about a. No, 1 second. About a Lutyens' favorite journalist who used to hold inquisitions one-on-one. 1 second, I'll tell you. You're talking about civility, sir. There are journalists in the past that have been part of the establishment that stands up for free speech, good decorum, who used to sit there and not allow the subject of his interviews to respond.
So kindly let me say what I have to say. Mr. Shiv Shankar, would you please let me respond? Kindly let me respond. Just there are two very important points. I do not believe in any external control of free speech for the media. That is for the NDA
then debate is
and
over.
Authorities like the
debate
Press Council of India to do. That is not for us to do. I am only to say we are only seeking a thing that when there's a court order. If you don't respect the court order, I'm not discussing
what is disrespectful about the media?
I think there are a lot
how
of
is the media disrespected the court order?
If the court order says something,
sir. Talk specifically.
Because they have found merit in. I am not.
Where is the court order?
Please don't interject.
What is the court order that has been violated?
So I'm just
has pointed out to the vilification campaign.
Which vilification campaign? Do you know that the prime accused has been on TV channels? Vilifying the family.
I'm all for free speech.
Raul Ishwar. Was that good? Sisters have been vilified. Sushant's father has been vilified. His family name has been vilified. Sushant himself has been vilified. There has been no decorum when people have talked about his. No, 1 second. His state of mind.
Both sides were vilifying each other.
I
Oh, that's
believe
okay
that
for you.
media does a great service.
Why don't you file a
Media
case?
does a great
Why don't you
service.
file a case? 1 minute. 1 minute.
With some kind of a
1 minute. Let me
guideline.
come in here. Why don't you file a case against Riya Chakravarti? Why single out Times now? You won't do that. It doesn't suit your argument. That's the point
No
I'm
one
making.
is singling out Times now. I don't believe.
Of course it
we
is.
Are not. We are not.
Can I-
we are
Name-
not-
name
we are not
is-
supporting
name is
Times.
part of
the-
We are part of the respondents.
Give me one question.
You asked the question on principle. Let me respond on principle.
Sir, I'm asking you on
asked the question
fact.
on
Can I ask
principle,
Mr.
let me
I'm
Singh
respond
asking you on
principle
fact.
with
We can
silence
have the
and let us
motherhood
civil.
principles
Yes.
debate
On
anytime
fact and on
later on.
principle,
I'm
because
asking you on
this is-
fact. I'm running out of time,
we are
viewers.
not-
I'm taking a
one
short break. I'll be right back. Running out of time.